In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a custom theme in PowerPoint. We understand that sometimes themes we've created don't quite hit the mark, or maybe you've accumulated too many and it's time for a cleanup. Whatever the reason may be, I'm here to guide you through the straightforward process of deleting a custom theme in PowerPoint. First, you'll want to start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. It might seem obvious, but it's essential to ensure you're in the right software before moving forward. Once you have PowerPoint open, navigate to the presentation where you'd like to manage your themes. If you're working directly from a file where the theme resides, that's perfect. The third step is to head over to the Design tab. You'll find this on the ribbon at the top of the PowerPoint window. The Design tab is where you'll manage all aspects related to the aesthetic and structure of your slides. Here you'll see various options, including themes ready for you to select or modify. Within the Design tab, locate and click on the Theme drop-down menu. This is crucial as it displays all the themes you have available, including the custom ones you've created. Once you've accessed the drop-down, you might see an option called Save Current Theme. Go ahead and click on it. This action won't save a new theme for us, it's actually about to give us important information. Upon clicking Save Current Theme, a dialog box will appear. What you're looking for here is the directory path, the pathway where this theme file is stored on your computer. Carefully copy that path. It's essential you do this step accurately to ensure we reach the correct folder on your system. After copying, you can simply cancel out of the dialog box. Now return to the theme drop down once again, you're not done just yet. This time, instead of saving, you'll want to click on Browse for Themes. This option opens a window that allows you to browse your computer files directly. In this window, paste the directory path you copied earlier into the address bar at the top. Once done, you should find yourself in the folder where all your custom themes are stored. Here comes the crucial part. Locate the specific theme you want to delete. Once you find it, right-click on it and select Delete. This will permanently remove the theme from your available options in PowerPoint. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to declutter your themes and make sure only the best options are available for your presentations. If you have more themes to clean up, just repeat these steps. I hope this guide was helpful, and feel free to revisit anytime you need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.